Today on Fix It Upright, we will be doing a review on Harbor Freight's drill set. Is it worth it? Up first, we have the 20-volt drill. It comes with a nice belt attachment that comes in very handy. The drill is very comfortable to hold and has a good weight to it. The battery has an LED display for charge percentage that has been very accurate. Next, we have the 12-volt impact drill. The drill may be small, but it gets the job done. The battery also has an LED display. Next, we have the drill bit set. It comes with standard attachments and has an overall sturdy box. Last but not least, the charger for the batteries. Both the impact and drill batteries both charge on the same device. For the drill on a scale 0 to 10, 0 meaning don't buy it and 10 meaning buy it, I would rate this drill at a 10. I have had this drill for 2.5 years and it still works like the day I got it. Scaling the impact drill, I would put it at a solid 9. I've had this drill for 3 years and could not believe how long the batteries lasted. Now this set right here cost me $297 including tax. I highly recommend this set and it has done me very well.